In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ZIA in Zoho CRM. If you're ready to make the most out of your Zoho CRM experience by utilizing ZIA, the AI-powered assistant, then you're in the right place. Remember that to use ZIA, you need to be on the Enterprise or Ultimate Edition of Zoho CRM, so be sure you've got the right subscription before we begin. Let's get started by locating ZIA in your Zoho CRM dashboard. When you open your CRM, turn your attention to the left-hand side where you'll notice ZIA's chat icon. It's quite distinct and should be easy to spot if you're familiar with the interface. Clicking on this icon will open up the communication panel where you can chat or speak directly with ZIA. Whether you prefer typing out your requests or using voice commands, ZIA is equipped to handle it. Now, what makes ZIA really stand out is its ability to interpret and respond to your requests with relevant CRM information. For instance, you might need a quick summary of your current sales progress. Simply type or say, "Show me this month's deals," and ZIA will quickly aggregate the relevant data, presenting you with an easily digestible overview of your sales for the month. This eliminates the need to manually sift through numerous records or reports, effectively saving you time and effort. ZIA can also be a great ally in prioritizing daily tasks. You can ask questions like, "Which leads to follow today?" In response, ZIA will analyze your CRM data and provide a tailor-made list of leads that you should focus on. This feature ensures that you are always engaging with the most promising opportunities, aligning your efforts with potential success. While ZIA's data retrieval and explanation capabilities are impressive, it's important to remember that the information it provides is as accurate as the data entered into your CRM. Ensure that your CRM entries are consistently updated and accurate to fully leverage ZIA's potential. With these functionalities, ZIA transforms your CRM from a static repository of information into a dynamic ally in managing your customer relationships and streamlining your business processes. So, whether you're querying for data, looking for recommendations, or seeking to automate repetitive tasks, ZIA is there to assist, offering clarity and support every step of the way. As you begin to integrate ZIA into your daily CRM routine, you'll likely find new ways to benefit from its capabilities. It's all about exploring the features and seeing how it can best serve your individual needs. With ZIA by your side, managing CRM tasks becomes more intuitive, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, fostering strong, productive relationships with your customers. That's all for today's tutorial on using ZIA in Zoho CRM. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to harness the full power of ZIA. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session.